All KitchenAid tilt head stand mixers have a silver pin, which attaches the tilt head to the base of the mixer. The pin should be flush with the sides of the mixer. However, over time, the pin can become loose and work its way out of the mixer head. If you notice the neck pin protruding from either side of the mixer, it's time to make an adjustment. There's a screw underneath the base of the tilt head that allows you to adjust the neck pin. First, make sure your stand mixer is turned off and unplugged. Next, in order to see the set screw, lock the tilt head in place and gently tilt the mixer onto its side. You may want to place a towel on your work surface prior to turning it over. Be sure not to bump the speed control lever or locking mechanism. When you've located the set screw, loosen it and make sure the neck pin is flush on both sides. Then turn the set screw to the right, securing the neck pin in place. Repeat this process regularly to keep your stand mixer in great condition and avoid wear and tear. Visit our service and support page where you can find a KitchenAid authorized service facility, schedule a service appointment, and even live chat with a support representative. Explore maintenance tips and more at KitchenAid.com today.